Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got another unbagging. This comes from Amazon, and before I open this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to all of my new subscribers. Welcome. I appreciate each and every one of you. And thank you to everyone who is showing me support in adding the adult coloring to my diamond painting. This is a craft channel, not just any one thing. It's all craft related. But also thank you for showing me some love in my Etsy shop, y'all. Thank you to all my shout outs that everybody has given me. Y'all have no idea how much any of that means to me, because y'all, I have struggled, and I ain't gonna lie, some days I wish I had never even started the Etsy shop, but I enjoy doing it. I enjoy the whole process of making them, shipping them, making the goodie bags, packaging, all of that. I enjoy the whole process. So, yeah, I just want to say thank you. And I leave all links in my description box of the company that I get my stuff from, the links to the products, the links to my Instagram, my emails. I'm an affiliate for Diamond Painting Shop. I've got all of that in my description box, my Etsy shop, all of it. Everything is in my description box, y'all. I try to keep y'all as informed as I possibly can on everything. So, with all of that blah 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 over, let's get into this unbagging, maybe, if I can find the opening. Alright, so, again, this is from Amazon, and if y'all hear anything in the background, it's Booger. He is scratching on my chair, trying to get my attention, because he wants to play when I'm doing videos. Never fails, every single time. He can be over sound asleep, and as soon as I start talking, bam, he's up ready to play. So, alright, this kit comes with a green boat, your pink wax. This has a squishy, a straightener. It has 2 pins, and it looks like that is probably a 9-placer or a 7-placer. And then it has just a regular single placer, and then it has a few baggies. So here are the diamonds, and it is a round drill. There are no DMCs on the bags of drills, but that's no big deal. But as y'all can see, it is fall colors. He has done knocked over my trash can, y'all. Quit, boo-boo. Alright, so here are the colors. We have got some yellows. We've got some different shades of orange. We have got some grays, another orange, more grays, and then we get over into browns. Okay, and then we have some more browns. Ooh, we got 1, 2, 3 bags of those. And then we are getting into some greens and then some reds. So, yeah, fall colors. because this is a fall canvas. Very, very, very pretty. Very pretty. Now if I can just figure out how to fold these back in there. There's got to be an easier way. Sometimes I just I don't know. I just can never get these suckers in there the way that they need to go in there. Okay, so what is the image? This is the image, y'all. Isn't she gorgeous? I love her. But it is a gnome. Y'all, I can't help it. I keep telling myself, stop getting them. Just stop. Y'all are tired of seeing them, and I am getting every one of them that I come across, and I'm getting myself, I get on my own nerves. So, between this and the Gorgeous Girls, y'all, you ain't even. Y'all just wait. I got so much, yeah. Okay, so anyway, we have got a girl gnome. And look, she's got her coffee or hot cocoa, whichever one. She's got her little braids with sunflowers in the ends of her braids. There's 2 pumpkins with a sunflower and some maple leaves. And then she's got her little red hat on with the sunflowers in the background. So cute. And this is a 30 by 40. We have 21 colors, and the DMC is on the canvas. There's the thumbnail, although I don't think you really need it because this is quite clear. And as you can see, very, very, very clear drill field. Very sticky, like real sticky. That's like really sticky. So yeah. So fall is my favorite time of the year because A, Halloween, and B, I just love the smells. The smell of the leaves turning, you know, the campfires, roasting hot dogs. I just love it. You know, sweater weather. I love it. Plus, many of y'all don't know because I have not done an about me whipping chat in a long time. I've done them. I've done them when I first started diamond painting and doing my YouTube channel. But I haven't done one in a very long time. So a lot of you new people don't know hardly anything about me. But my tattoos, and y'all, that's where Booger, this is how I know when it's time for Booger to get his nails trimmed as he starts tearing my arms up. But my tattoo, which it's faded, I've had this sucker for, oh my God, probably 15, 20 years. But this is what I'm named after. A lot of people think I'm named after Gone with the Wind, Scarlett O'Hara, or the color Scarlet. But I am named after a scarlet maple tree. And yes, there is such a thing. And it is just that's what it's called. It's a scarlet maple tree. But that is what I am named for. So I love fall. It is my favorite season next to spring. But yeah, I think she is gorgeous. Very I mean, crisp and clear canvas. Very nice. And y'all, I only gave $4.98 for this on Amazon. Not bad. And if it's still there, I will leave a link to this in my description box. So, alright, y'all. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them in the comment section, and I'm always happy to answer y'all, talk to y'all. But yeah. So I'm gonna, I don't know if he'll let me do this, but this is Booger down here. Say hey, Boog. So yeah, anytime I start doing a video, here he goes, wanting to play. So, alright y'all, I guess until my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye y'all.